Hi guys, and welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a brand new unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing the next in the Build and Decorate Your Dollhouse. It is none other than the number 44. Well guys, before we get into this, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. And guys, make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course guys, if you like this collection, if you like this unboxing, make sure to leave a like down below. And guys, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband / cameraman, whose channel is called Cosas Partner. It's a Spanish-speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff guys. I will have his links down in the description below. And well guys, with that being said, let's go ahead, let's get into this. Alright guys, so we have everything out of the initial plastic, and now it's time for an up-close look at the magazine. Up at the top we have the title of the collection, Build and Decorate Your Dollhouse, of course none other than in the Victorian style, and down below it says enjoy this elegant and spectacular home of your dreams. And guys, this is the number 44. If you would like to see the previous 43, all you have to do is check out the playlist located in the end cards in the end of the video. And guys, of course, this collection is from Salvat, which is the same company that does the Marvel figures which I unbox. If you're interested in seeing that, guys, all you have to do is check out the playlist located in my channel. And here it talks about the bedrooms. I love that little picture and the mirror there. That looks really cute. The little desk is nice too. And here we have the bedroom. Here it shows you all of the pieces, all of the parts. But this is so very cool. Let's continue on. It shows more of the bedroom, the wardrobe there. A very cute bed. I love the sheets with the little flowers on it. And here it shows you how to put the paper on the wooden part of the house. I'm not sure how to say it, but like I guess you would say the flooring part of the house. It shows you how to cut it and then glue it. And guys, as I always say with this collection, don't worry, once we have the entire collection unboxed, I will show you how to do each of these little projects, and we will do them together step by step. I'll walk you through the entire way. So guys, if you haven't yet, it's a good moment to hit that beautiful red subscribe button and make sure to hit the bell so that way you will be notified whenever I post a new video of this collection or whenever I start a new live stream. So make sure to stay tuned, guys. And here it talks about Mary Shelley, none other than the creator of Frankenstein. Very cool. I absolutely love that with this collection they give you a little bit of history as well. It's very cool. And well guys, that's the end of that. Here we just have the front of the dollhouse, how it will look once we have it completed. And guys, this collection is of course from none other than Salvat. And well guys, let's flip this round. And now let's see the new additions to our dollhouse. Okay guys, so first up we have another bottom or flooring, or maybe it's a wall. I'm not quite sure exactly, but it's made out of that same like Franken wood type stuff that the others were made out of. It's very large. Here's my hand in comparison. And well guys, now we're gonna check out the new wallpapers that we got. Okay guys, so here are our two new wallpapers. They are green in the bottom with this like very nice pattern up at the top. They are a very thick, nice paper. Let me show you the other side. The other side doesn't have anything on it because, well, we're gonna glue it down to the house. No one's gonna see this side. But well, let me show you the other side so you see that it's the same. And it's just the same as the other one. Green on the bottom, again with this very nice pattern that I really like. It reminds me a bit of the wallpaper from the BBC version of Sherlock. And then on the other side, it's just white. And well guys, tell me what you guys think. Tell me down in the comments below. And well guys, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, make sure to leave a like down below. And while you're moseying around down there guys, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button and make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course guys, tell me down in the comments below what do you guys think about this collection. I would love to hear from you. And guys, of course, be sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Cosas Partener. It's a Spanish-speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff, guys. I will have his links down in the description below. And well, guys, I will see you later. Have a great day. Bye-bye.